Alright, so number 6, now that we've done it once by hand, we'll be using technology from here on out. Again, it's very tedious. I can do this question within minutes, but we do want you to understand what's going on behind the scenes in the calculations, just for your benefit. So this problem wants us to do sample variance and sample standard deviation. So I'm going to do it with the calculator as well. I will also try to show you with Excel how to do it both. So I'm going to go to Stat, enter on Edit, and I'm going to input my data in this L1 list. So I have 7, 56, 14, 47, 35, 24, 28, 29, 36, 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 10. Biggest error that you can make is data entry, so just double check that you got everything entered correctly. It doesn't take much time. It's better to just take your time, double check, make sure you got it all correct so you don't have some small errors. Alright. Once we get it in, Stat, arrow right to Calc, enter on one variable statistics, compute, and it just immediately spits out my numbers. So I can go to bars, go down to statistics, I can go to 3, and that shows me my standard deviation. And if I just hit the squared button, it knows that it's going to square the answer that I last put in. This is going to give me my variance. So these are the two numbers that we want for this problem. Now, you can also do this with Excel. So I told it to copy the information in Excel. I'm going to open this up. So I'm just going to highlight this. So you go to formulas. Okay. Since I don't have the screen extended, it's hard to see all the other ones. So I'm going to go to more functions, statistical, and then if you scroll down a bit, they're in alphabetical order. Get to the S's, standard deviation, S for samples, standard deviation, P for population. So we wanted the sample, so I'm going to do STDEV for S. Okay. Let me cancel this because I want to make sure it didn't kill my number. Okay, yeah. So I'm going to go more functions, statistical, scroll down. You also have variance because we'll ask for those. Let me actually go ahead and do the variance first. I'm going to do variance. I want to copy, just click and drag down, tell it what numbers you want to use. Okay, here's my variance. Notice same number here. And then I'm going to go here, and I'm going to say more functions, statistical, scroll all the way down to S's, sample standard deviation, tell it I want these numbers here, okay, and it tells me the same thing we got here. So you can do it relatively quickly, knowing which functions you're using. So we're looking for sample variance 205.5, and then sample standard deviation 14.3.